Hey there! Today we're diving into a curious problem that programmers may encounter. The issue arises with a piece of code that has puzzled some major compilers, especially Clang. The problem revolves around the type inspection of a specific expression involving a static member function within a struct. It seems like compilers can't agree on whether the expression should be interpreted as one type or another, leading to some confusion among developers. Now, let's delve into the solution that sheds light on this intriguing problem. According to the rules governing decltype specifiers in C++, the expression in question should be treated as the type of the entity it names. In this case, the function being referenced has the type void, clarifying the ambiguity surrounding the expression. Additionally, recent language updates have made similar expressions problematic if not used in the context of a member function call, further clarifying the expected behavior. Solution aside, it's essential to understand the intricacies of type inspection in C++ to navigate potential pitfalls like the one we discussed. By adhering to the language specifications and staying informed about updates, we can ensure smoother coding experiences and avoid running into unexpected compiler behaviors. In summary, with the clarification provided by the C++ standards, we can better understand and resolve the conflicting interpretations of the problematic code snippet. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring the depths of C++ programming. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Happy coding, and until next time.